Peace. Peaceful. A piece of art.
Showered ko rin kay mama yung buhok mo.
Ano yung showered ba?
Shower. Kaya ni mama, di ba? Kaya alam niya
Wala ka na naman po.
Hindi, sa salon na lang ako para hindi na ako hawak ng buhok ng
This
ano.
is
Take two.
This is what you call water. I spray in my hand. I put it in Mama's hair.
Yeah.
And then I curl it with a manual curler.
Ano today, ate? Monday.
November
23. Anong November? Lagi ka November. Kahapon November, ngayon November. Siguro bukas December 1 na sa'yo. Ano na ngayon? December 23, 2024. And it's Monday. Lock.
And then look, show it to the people. So that's
To the
the hair.
people.
I just lock it. And then yeah. That's
Ah.
After. I mean before. Before pa pala.
Before December, November.
Back to December all the time.
Aray ko. Uy, matanggal lang nila. Ayan, ginawa ni Ate Arya. Tingnan
Si
natin
Lola si
yung
Mama.
after. Lola na ka na. Kati! Ang kati pala, ate. Ilang oras? 2 hours. Na ate, halos 2 hours siyang nakaganito. Tanggalin na daw. Tanggalin mo lang lahat ate. Almost 4 p.m. na. Nanonood kami ng concert ni, sino yan? Taylor Swift.
Madaming iba't ibang tailor. No?
Wow.
Parang naka-wolf cut.
Para lang siyang magulo. Ano to ate?
Eh kasi di pantay-pantay po mo yung
Okay
tubig.
lang yan. So, yun. Oh,
Mga ano.
andito na kami sa lobby. 9th day ng Simbang Gabi ngayon. December 23. And 7:30 yung start. So, 7:10 pa lang ngayon.
In 400 meters,
meron din dito.
turn right.
Dito sana sila mamasyal, no? Yung kayo ate, yung sila ano.
It's not a walking, Yes.
Hello everyone, so let's get ready to walk. Right here we are in 8th Forest, 8th Town Street. I mean road. And I really love this place. This is my mama, this is Akila, this is my daughter. And there's a lot of people and some pretty lights. I am using my mom's, oh look at this tree, I'm using my mom's phone. I'm using my mama's phone, so I love it. And yeah, that's all.